Adab everyone, I'm Shanti Rao and welcome to my YouTube channel Drama Queen Diaries. Let me finish eating this. I'm so excited for this week's episode, guys, because last week you all guys came with me to the supermarket. Well, physically you didn't, but virtually you did. Remember? If not, check out my last video, which is gonna pop somewhere over here. Yeah, if not, let's have a recap.
Kind of giving me an idea for this Ramzan. I just realized, looking at all these dates around me, that it's Ramzan season, and it has just hit me that I want to do a small recipe for you guys which circles around dates. Okay, I'm gonna pick one of this, and yeah, let's make something out of this.
Dates are something which I absolutely love, guys. Even when I'm in sets, when I go for my shoots and stuff, I always carry a bag of them with me, because you know, sometimes you have those sugar cravings, right? And you don't feel like having dessert, but you need that sweetness, and dates are always perfect for that. And the other day when I was at the supermarket, you all saw what happened, right?
So I just checked Pinterest for date recipes, guys, and guess what? I came across something which was very interesting, and that is stuffed dates, and I had no idea that you can actually do that. So I thought I'll share 3 of those interesting. I'm gonna go home and make them, and before I do that I need to pick them up. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll head back home and then do the recipes. So let's go shopping.
And I came back home and actually made them, and I absolutely fell in love with them. And not just that, my family loved them as well. So of course, guys, I decided I'm going to share them with you here on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to call this Shanti Rao's Kitchen Diaries. Yes, I'm going to call it Shanti Rao's Kitchen Diaries, but then I am actually not in my kitchen, as you can see. I went out last week and I felt like, you know, taking you guys out as well, but then I can't do it physically, right? So I thought at least balcony should do. So here I am, and somehow, you know, this kind of gave me the vibe of a date palm, which it's actually not. But then, you know, I thought, okay, this would be the perfect setup to actually go ahead and share these recipes with you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin.
Okay, this is definitely gonna take a lot of time, so let's cut to the chase.
Ta-da! Okay, so my first recipe is definitely super festive and rich is the word which I would love to describe them. I've actually not named any of these date recipes. Maybe I should, I don't know. For now, let's call them the rich dates, because these definitely look rich because of the silver foil that I used on them, because I was feeling all festive. It's Ramzan, of course, I had to do that. So let me tell you what you need for this. Before we get into the recipe, guys, let me tell you, I used de-seeded dates which I found online. thankfully, because when I tried them last week, oh my god, it took forever for me to de-seed them. So I wanted to do them in a jiffy, and yes, I have pre-made them because that was easier than doing it with all these cameras that I had. Hello, I'm not a professional yet, so I did not have a professional setup. It was tough, guys. Trust me when I tell you, it was tough. Okay, I'm not sure if I should be happy or how do I react to it because it's raining right now. I just wanted to start working on a new video which I wanted to film today, and I got like voila, it's raining. So I'm not sure if I should go ahead and do this right now. So I did them beforehand, but I'm definitely going to show you how I made them. Okay, so for our first recipe you need dates, of course, salted pistachios, I prefer that, but you can go for plain as well, cream cheese or plain cheese, and edible silver foil. This is optional, by the way. Task number 1, remove the pistas from its shell. And then you crush the pistas. I wanted that little crunch, so I didn't crush them too much. And all you have to do is fill the dates with the cream cheese, and top it off with the crushed pistas. That's it, guys. It's all over. So I found some edible silver leaves in my fridge, and I thought, come on, it's festive and fancy, so why not use it? By the way, as I mentioned earlier, this is completely optional. Oh my god, guys, this is so yum. But disclaimer, if any of you are allergic to nuts, please do not use them. And I'm sorry if you're allergic to dates, I can't help it. I'm very sorry, you're missing out on something. And the silver foil was optional because I already had them at hand, so that's why I used it. But if you don't have it, that's fine too. So you can just fill it up with the cream cheese and have it as it is, and trust me, it's absolutely delicious as well. So let's move on to recipe number 2. Wait, that's 4. Sorry guys, I had to try this one because this just came out of the oven. Let me tell you how I made them. For this recipe, I used dates, fresh basil. Yes, I got lucky and I got them here. And processed cheese cubes. This one is the most simplest recipe ever, guys. All you have to do is open up the dates, fill it up with fresh basil leaf, and stuff it with the cheese cube. That's it, you're done. Once your dates are ready, all you have to do is microwave them till the cheese melts. I heated them up for a little more than 2 minutes because I kind of liked the crispy flavor of the basil. If you don't like that, you can probably do it a little less or maybe a little more than that. And trust me guys, the kitchen smelled amazing. Trust me guys, this one smells delicious. I mean, like, I absolutely love them. Of course. And for my third recipe, of course guys, it's a dessert, I promise. And it involves a lot of chocolate. Okay, so we need dates, peanut butter, and chocolate. Lots and lots of chocolates if you can get your hands on it. Okay. I can't believe this is actually happening. That was the reason I decided I'll do it outdoors. So 90% of the time my kitchen is actually full. So even now there's some special happening there. There's my cousin, my sister, they're cooking up something. So I decided I'm going to make a dessert version of it because, of course, any party or if the party is incomplete without a dessert, right? So apart from that, I absolutely love chocolates. If you ask me what's your favorite, it's chocolate. So why not combine dates and chocolate? So for my third recipe, what I'm doing is, of course, I've taken dates, and as you can see, I'm stuffing it up with peanut butter. And trust me guys, this is taking forever. So let's create some internet magic, shall we? Doing with this? That is what we're doing. And I've stuffed it with peanut butter and I popped it up in the fridge for some time so that it hardens. And in the meantime, we're going to start working with the chocolate. So all we have to do is, I have some... It's happening again! Thank you very much. Yes, so we're going to add all this to this. Okay. And you wait for it to melt. What are you doing with this? That is what we're doing. I can't wait for it to melt. Okay guys, so for this one I actually used brown chocolate, but then if you like milk chocolate or white chocolate, you could actually go ahead with them as well. And if you do try that, let me know in the comments down below. In the meantime, I'm going to tackle this. Okay, so our chocolate is finally melted and that looks so yum. Oh my god, I can just have it like that. But then no, I will be patient this time. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the peanut butter stuffed dates, dip it in the chocolate, and then, yeah, you coat it thoroughly like that. And voila! That's it guys. There you go. Chocolate covered dates. So I've covered these dates with chocolate and I'm gonna pop them in the freezer, and once they harden, oh my god, they are going to be the most amazing things on earth to try. I'm gonna go do that. Yeah, exactly, that's how I feel right now. You know why? Because this was what I was doing. There you go guys. So these are the 3 recipes which I will try this Ramzan with my favorite snack dates. I hope you try them, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below, because definitely, of course, duh, I would love to hear from you. And also, if you've tried a different variation or if you know something else that I can do, hello, I would love to do them as well, because come on, we're all in lockdown and there's nothing much that we're all doing, right? So trying something new is something fun always, and I'm number one, like I'm the first person who tries something different all the time. So apart from that, go enjoy your treats, and also, you know the drill, do not forget to subscribe, and also like and share these recipes with your friends and family, because of course that will bring me happiness. So stay calm, stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy, everyone. And I personally say this all the time, that I believe in prayers and I know our prayers will be answered soon. Ramzan Mubarak, everyone, and also a very happy and advanced Eid. And I will hear from you all soon. Take care, love you. I'm gonna go enjoy these before they're over. You saw that, right? Oops.